Here's how to add confetti to your Simvoly page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to Simvoly, and after logging in, it will route you directly to your builder for your sites and funnels. Please note, you can disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now, on the site toolbar, click on Add Widget. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll find Code. Now, drag the code anywhere in your Simvoly page and drop it in. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. And this is what it'll look like. Use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code you copied from ConfettiPage earlier. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the code widget, click on any block to exit and then click on Save. Now, to see the confetti code animation in action, test it out by clicking the site link here on the upper right corner. And if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations. By the way, if you are using a free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. And if you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.